Mrs. Tan has 20 kilograms of flour. She uses 1/5 of it to bake some cakes. She uses 1/4 kg. Ooh, very important. Take note of this unit right here. Early on, there wasn't a unit, so this is just a fraction of it, of the 20 kg, okay? She uses 1/4 kg to bake some tarts. How much flour does she have left? So let's talk about the cakes first. Okay, for the cakes, it's 1/5 of the 20 kilograms. Of can be replaced with times. So 1/5 times 20, that will be 4 kilograms. Alright, so in total, how much is she using? 4 kg plus 1/4 kg. That will be 4 whole and 1/4 kilograms. And then we can find the amount that she's left with. 20 kg minus 4 and 1/4 kg. (15 3/4 kg is our final answer for this question.